As we step into the time capsule, let's journey back to the year 1916, where the story of Ferruccio Lamborghini commences on the fertile soils of a vineyard in Renazzo. In this idyllic setting, surrounded by the verdant embrace of grapevines, Ferruccio imbibed the core tenets of hard work and a dedication to impeccable craftsmanship, a precursor to the remarkable journey that lay ahead. Despite the rustic charm of the family farm, Ferruccio's heart danced to a different tune, one that resonated with the symphony of machinery, particularly the intricate world of tractors. His early years were marked by a divergence from the expected agricultural pursuits as his passion gravitated towards the art of fixing and enhancing these mechanical workhorses.